Hey, it's Dustin with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to locate a model tag on a Frigidaire range. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. On this model, the model number tag is located between the bottom of the door and the top of the pull-out drawer on the bottom of the appliance. There are two ways to view the model tag on this range. First is by opening the oven door and locating the tag on the cabinet between the door's hinges. The second is by opening the bottom drawer and looking below the oven door. You may find it convenient to snap a photo of the tag with your device's camera for future reference. The model tag will hold important information about your appliance, such as the serial number and the model number of the range. The serial number can be used to figure out the date and location the appliance was built, while the model number can be used to tell you more about the features and colors of the appliance and should be referenced when ordering parts. Your appliance's model number location may vary. The tag is commonly visible after opening either the oven door or sliding drawer of the appliance. If you need to purchase a replacement part for your appliance, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure you're getting the correct part. And that's all for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.